Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to bring to you a demo slash review on some super awesome products that I received. I received some goodies from Novex recently, and it is products from their Mystic Black line. Now if you haven't heard of it, you need to, because let me just say, this line is magic. I'm going to show you the demo and then we're going to get into the review. Come on! So today I'm starting off by washing my hair with the Novex Mystic Black shampoo, and I'm going to just be focusing that on my roots. Just so you know, it does have a lather, but it is a sulfate-free shampoo. Next, I'm following up with my deep treatment mask from the Mystic Black line, and I'm just going to section my hair off into 4 sections, detangle, and then twist each section up. I'm going to leave this mask on for 10 minutes and then rinse it out. So now that my 10 minutes are up, I'm just going to be rinsing my hair out. I'm going to be rinsing each section individually just so that I can make sure that all of the deep conditioner is out. And I'm rinsing my hair with cool water. Now that the mask is rinsed out, I'm going to be following up with my leave-in conditioner from the Mystic Black line, and I'm just going to be using this to style. So I'm going to be sectioning off my hair into smaller sections just so that I can make sure that all of my hair is coated. So just so you know, although the leave-in conditioner is white, it does dry clear. Are y'all finished or y'all done? So now that you've seen the demo, I'm just going to go over all of the products that you've seen. So first we're going to start off with the shampoo. So this line focuses on shine, frizz, helping split ends, and helping to detangle. And let me just say, this line delivered. So this is the shampoo from the Mystic Black line, and this is a really good gentle shampoo. It doesn't strip your hair, but it does clean your curls. So it's a sulfate-free shampoo. It's not gonna harm your curls, and you can use it once a week like I do, or you can use it whenever you shampoo. So this is a really, really, really nice, gentle shampoo. And let me just say, all of the products in this line smell amazing. Like, I'm not even joking. And the thing about it is that it's a very light scent. And it kind of smells like baby lotion to me. But it's a very light scent, and although it is a light scent, it will still stay on your hair. So just so you know, your hair will still smell like it after you style. So next we have the Mystic Black Deep Treatment Mask. So this is the deep conditioner, and I'm so happy that they gave me a large size because I deep condition once a week. And this deep conditioner has so much slip that my comb was able to glide straight through my curls, and it didn't rip my hair out, so that's really good. When you do have a deep conditioner or whatever you use to detangle, you want to make sure it does have a lot of slip, because if not, you will literally be ripping your hair out as you're detangling. So you want to make sure that any product that you do use to detangle, it has slip. I always detangle after I shampoo. That's just what I do. I prefer to detangle right after I shampoo with my deep conditioner or conditioner or whatever I'm using at the time, and I just comb my hair while it's wet. That's what works for me. Some people don't do that, some people do. I don't know, but that's just what works for me. And this deep conditioner is the best for detangling and offering shine and moisture. Okay, my hair felt super soft and super moisturized after I rinse this out. Next we have the Mystic Black conditioner. So I typically don't use regular conditioners since I do deep condition once a week, and in the middle of the week I might do a co-wash, or I'll just go 1 week without washing my hair at all. Since I did decide to do a co-wash this week, I did use this conditioner as my co-wash, and this is a really good conditioner to use for a co-wash. It's very light. Everything in this line is very light, but this one is really good for co-washing because it is easy to detangle, just like the deep conditioner. So this also made my hair feel really soft and moisturized, and I got the same results as far as when I did my wash and go. I got the same results as I did when I used the shampoo and deep conditioner and when I just used this by itself. So this is really good because it didn't just sit on my hair. You know how some conditioners, you know, just like sit on top of your hair? No, this was easy to put in, easy to rinse out, and it didn't sit on top of my hair. I didn't have any sort of film or anything on my hair. It rinsed out really nicely, and it still kept my curls super soft. On the directions, it doesn't say you can use it as a co-wash, but I used it as a co-wash and it worked great for me. Last but not least, the star of the show. This is the leave-in conditioner from the Mystic Black line, and let me just say, sorry, I'm getting emotional. Let me just say that this leave-in conditioner surprised me, and let me tell you why. So as you saw in the demo, I just used that. After I washed my hair and washed the deep conditioner out and everything, I just used the leave-in conditioner because I did notice that Novex really doesn't have any stylers. And I was like, I wonder why they don't really have any like styling creams or anything like that. Well, this guy right here is an all-in-one. So when I saw it, I was like, okay, leave-in conditioner, where's the gel? Where's the hair butter? Where's, you know, the styling cream? This is all you need, okay? This is all I styled my hair with, and my hair loves it. So my hair needs to be washed, but these are day 5 curls, like day 5, okay? Just look, I still have definition, like look at this. Like, how crazy is that? I haven't really put much on my hair throughout the week. The only thing I have been doing is putting a little refresher spray and maybe spraying a little bit of oil, but that's it. I haven't added any gel. I haven't added anything as far as stylers to my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. Like, I love it. I definitely would get this again because this styler, if you don't believe me, feel free to try it yourself. You can go to their website. I will leave the link down below in my description box, and feel free to try any and all of these products, and you let me know if it's just as magical for you as it was for me, okay? Because let me just say, I have heard people styling their hair with just a leave-in, and I never thought that that was possible for me until I used this. So I'm just going to show you my results from the first time I used it, from day 1 to day 2, and you tell me what you think. Just watch it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!